I'm confused. Is that a weave? Is that your real hair?
Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
up, guys? I'm back in this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed my little color tutorial in the very beginning, and then also I just showed you guys how to another way to basically lay the edges with the got to be glued glue. For the glueless method, I'm not gonna lay this wig down. We're gonna try and do the glueless method. Originally I was going to try and color this hair green, but I didn't have the color green that I normally use, and I didn't feel like going to the beauty supply, so I decided to improvise. So I used those Adore colors that I showed you guys, and this is what we ended up with: bright orangey ginger ends, and then like a dark reddish brown type of thing going up at the top. So my hair is like in a little crusty bun. I actually have some what is it, like some deep conditioner in my hair. I didn't feel like rinsing it out when I washed my hair, so my hair's just been chilling in deep conditioner. So yeah, we're finna try and finesse this wig from dyhair. The wig information is going to be in the description box below, and probably also on the screen somewhere in this video. Now, just really quick to show you guys the inside construction. Here's a comb in the back, and there's some lace in the back, and then there are 3 combs along the actual lace, and then you see the tracks are sewn on. So the lace is probably about 13 by 4 if I'm not mistaken. And just really quick, you guys see that this hair took the bleach very well and held its deep wave pattern. So that's really, really dope to me, because I've had hair companies send me stuff in pattern completely gone as soon as I decide I'm finna put some color on it. The wig is upside down, so I'm just showing you guys. I'm taking the strap from the right side, it's my right, you guys' left, and I'm gonna pull it all the way over here and latch it, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so I got the wig on, and I just laid the edges. I'm just going in with a little bit of water, because using the blow dryer kind of did make the hair a little frizzy. See that? That is what you call glueless. Yes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this color tutorial slash glueless install slash review. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the color down in the comment section down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.
Mine, I bought it, it's mine. I bought it, it's mine.